So hello guys, so today we're gonna perform a cold and dark starting of the of this beautiful A321 Neo. So first thing, when we install the Tolis 321, we need to go to the settings via plugin menu, and we need to set cold start type to cold and dark, and then we need to we restart explain, or we go to developer. After that we go and we hit reload the current aircraft and art. So first thing we need to do, so we have here everything is black, everything is dark. So okay, let's imagine that we don't have any exterior power. We gonna turn on the APU, so we need to switch on the both of the batteries. So we have batteries connected. After that, master switch, and then we hit switch, or we hit start. Okay, and then we're gonna wait until the APU start. So when the APU start, we will have an electric energy all the plane. By the way, guys, I'm sorry because my English is not that good. It's not my native language, so I'm gonna try to just explain the basics. The most important point here is to turn on this plane with the right procedures. Yeah. So now we have I think we have, yeah. So we have the power on. We need to decrease the brightness of the screens here, right, and here for the ECAM for the center screens, and here for the first officer, just to let everything clear. So now we will turn on the adders to nav to align the airplane. We have here the FMC. No, we don't need the FMC now because we're just gonna turn on this plane. So we need to clean every off in the overhead panel. Okay, so we have here fault for generator 1 and 2 because they are the electric generator for the engine, of course, because the engine is turned off now. So we're gonna turn the APU bleed. After that, we can start the engine. It's so easy in the A321. Okay, so yeah, we have rotation. We have a rotation here. Okay, now we turn on the second engine. Okay guys, of course we need to turn on the radio. The radio by default is off, so we need to turn this radio, the first officer radio, the captain radio, and the whole overhead panel radio. The TK system is here. We need to turn on we need to put this lever to TA and this one to on, and we need to turn on those. Let's put on system 1 auto. This is the weather radar. Okay, so as you can see, IRS in align and need 7 minutes to align. Of course, if we want to align the ILS, we can go to joystick actions and we hit IRS quick align, and we have aligned system here, as you can see, guys. So we have both engine on. Just we need to perform the last thing, because the airplane will never move if we don't remove the chocks. We need to remove the chocks, okay, and we remove the external power, and now we are okay. we are okay to go. As you can see, guys. So thank you for watching this video. If you want to subscribe, if you don't want, it's not an issue. Bye bye.